Welcome back to the Crypto Guru Pro channel. In today's video, we're going to take a deep dive into Bingx, one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency exchanges, and show you exactly how to open an account. Not only that, but we'll also discuss the rewards you can get just by registering, so make sure you stick around till the end for some valuable insights and tips. If you're new to Bingx, it's a cryptocurrency exchange platform that offers trading services for a wide range of digital assets. What sets Bingx apart from other exchanges is its combination of traditional trading features with unique functionalities like copy trading. But is Bingx really as good as everyone says? Let's go beyond just the basics and analyze it in more depth. How to open a Bingx account. Step 1. Visit the Bingx website. To get started, you first need to visit the Bingx website. The link will be in the video description and pinned in the comments below. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a bright Sign Up button. Click that to proceed to the registration page. Step 2. Create an account. Here's where you'll enter your details. You'll need to provide a valid email address, create a strong password, and agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure to read these carefully. You can also register using your phone number if you prefer. Step 3. Verify your email. Once you've submitted your details, Bingx will send a verification code to your email. Go ahead and enter this code on the website, and voila, your account is officially created. You'll now be ready to access all the features Bingx has to offer. Step 4. Secure your account. Security is a top priority when it comes to cryptocurrency. Bingx offers two-factor authentication to FA to add an extra layer of security to your account. I highly recommend enabling this, even though it's an extra step. It's worth it to keep your funds safe. How to get rewards after creating your account. This is where things get interesting. Bingx rewards new users with exciting bonuses after signing up. Here's what you can expect. Welcome bonuses. Upon registration and completing certain tasks, you can receive welcome bonuses that can be used for trading or withdrawing. As you continue to trade on the platform, Bingx offers various loyalty programs where you can earn discounts on trading fees. This can add up to quite a bit of savings, especially if you're an active trader. Wide range of trading pairs. Bingx offers over 100 cryptocurrencies and trading pairs, meaning you can easily access a wide variety of digital assets to trade. Whether you're into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Altcoins, you'll find a market here. Copy trading feature. For those new to trading or even seasoned traders looking to diversify, Bingx's copy trading feature is one of the standout offerings. You can follow and copy the strategies of top traders on the platform. It's a great way to learn, and if you're lucky, you might even make some good profits by copying successful traders. Low trading fees. Bingx's trading fees are lower compared to many other exchanges, which means more of your profits stay in your pocket. It's a competitive advantage for frequent traders. User-friendly interface. Bingx is easy to navigate, even for beginners. The interface is intuitive, and you'll be able to buy, sell, and manage your assets without feeling overwhelmed. Global reach. Bingx is available in over 100 countries, making it an accessible exchange for many crypto enthusiasts around the world. Whether you're in Europe, Asia, or North America, you can join the Bingx community. Disadvantages of Bingx. Limited payment methods. While Bingx offers a solid range of payment methods, it's not as extensive as some other platforms. However, they do offer popular methods like bank transfers, crypto deposits, and even some local payment methods. Relatively new, Bingx isn't as established as some of the bigger players like Binance or Coinbase, which might be a red flag for some users. While it's growing quickly and offers excellent services, it's important to be aware that it hasn't been around as long as some of its competitors. Limited customer support channels. Although Bingx does offer customer support, the response time can be slow at times, especially during high traffic periods. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind when you need quick assistance. From a personal standpoint, I think Bingx is definitely worth trying out. The platform offers a wide range of features, especially for those new to the crypto world. The rewards, including the referral program and bonus offers, are nice incentives to join, and I've personally found the user experience to be smooth. Ready to get started with Bingx and earn some rewards? Click the link in the video description or the comments below to open your account today. If you use the link, you might even receive exclusive bonuses that'll kickstart your trading journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tutorials on all things crypto. And as always, drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and happy trading.